And we're continuing to track another complex system working its way through mid-Missouri as we get into the spring again. We fired up some showers and thunderstorms out ahead of that frontal boundary. As it works its way through, though, later on this afternoon, that's going to be round 2. It's going to be enough to fire up 2 rounds of storms on our Wednesday. Latest look at future track again. Here come those storms already starting to barrel through the area. As we get to Highway 63, really right about now, as we get into about 7:30 and 8 o'clock, continuing to track off toward the east. As we get through this morning, most of that should behave. Not expecting a whole lot of severe weather or anything really strong or organized with that morning batch. It's the afternoon where we have to keep an eye out. And it's starting to look like some of our southern counties might have some of the ingredients coming together a little better than we once thought. Down around really south of Highway 50 for the most part across mid-Missouri. But all of us, again, you want to be weather aware as we get into the afternoon hours. Some stronger storms certainly possible as we get any time from about 1 to about 5 o'clock, I think, is when the worst of this is going to be moving on through. Latest look at instability tracker. Again, this is where this all hinges, is just how much we can recharge that atmosphere as we get into the early afternoon hours and then swing that cold front on through. Again, that'll fire up some more storms as we get into this afternoon. Latest from the Storm Prediction Center again this morning. Still expecting some pretty isolated coverage in terms of severe potential later on today. A little better shot, though, like I mentioned, down south of Highway 50, where some of those ingredients look like they're going to be coming together a little bit better. And in terms of threats, again, if we do see anything get on the stronger side, it's going to be that damaging wind threat that we're tracking primarily today. But some large hail, even a brief spin-up tornado, not out of the question as we get into this afternoon. So stay with us. We'll continue to track these storms all afternoon long on air and online at abc17news.com.